everyone, this is Elizabeth and I'm super excited to announce that I have a Halloween starter card kit in my shop. If you pop into the shop, you're going to see two card kits. They are exactly the same. The only thing you're doing is purchasing the class time. That's the only difference between the two kits, is one is set for one day, one is set for the other day. There's 7 kits per day, so that it's a nice small class. If you do not want to take the class on the given day, you will have a link. So it is going to be saved to YouTube, but privately, so only people with the link can actually watch the video. And then I am also making pre-recorded video using some of these wooden goodies in different ways than from the class, which will be live for everyone, but you can, you know, take a look at those and do that. So lots of video to go with these. In your kit, you will be getting 4 designer paper pieces. You will be getting 2 black, these panel, 2 black panels and 1 white panel. Okay, you will be getting 2 fun shimmery doilies, 1 chunk of ribbon, some different fibers. So we've got green, we've got this one, we've got the hanging fibers, and these cute little fibers here. Okay, you will be getting 1 little shimmery piece and some extra little pieces in case we want to do sentiments, and then 2 of these. 1 will be for sentiment if you choose. The other, wait till you see what we do. We're going to trace a portion of this cat so that we can put some of this fun fiber behind it and kind of encase it. It's going to be adorable, you guys. The kit also includes a little scoop of Simon Hurley's Lunar Paste Triple Berry. During the class, you can use it on whichever one you want, but I will be showing how to use it on the hat. And that little chunk of cuteness there. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be a super cute little witch's hat when we're all done. So we'll look forward to that. You will get 1 hat. Let me do this for you. You will get 1 pumpkin, 1 hat, 1 or 2 cats, and 2 ghosts. So these are guaranteed in your kit. Everybody's gonna get those. What is not guaranteed is you will either get Wicked or Spooky, and they're just randomly placed inside the envelopes and they're ready to go. With these, there is going to be a chunk of magnet that I send so we can turn the bigger one into a magnet. Okay, and if you have extra magnet laying around, you can even turn these guys into magnets. They're super cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited. These are the magnet strips everybody will be getting. There's plenty to put the Wicked or the Spooky. I haven't done the Spooky. This is just mine. I was testing magnets. It's magnet material, you guys. They're good to hold themselves, and if you don't move it around, it would hold a piece of paper. Just nothing really heavy, okay? But yeah, so you're gonna get this either Wicked or the Spooky in your little card kit. Okay, I'm super excited for you guys. The class will be a 2-hour class now, and that doesn't count introductions and stuff. It's gonna probably be over 2 hours. No big deal, because I love crafting with you guys. But this is how it comes. It's just gonna be nicely tucked into the bubble mailer. and shipped out to you. So everything is in, ready to go as soon as you place your order. I'm gonna do a fresh scoop of triple berry, toss it in there, and get these out to you in time for the class. Now, if you purchase these after the class time frame, you will get the link to the Zoom that we had. And also, I'm doing pre-recorded videos using some of my wooden pieces and how I decorate them differently. So there's going to be lots of options even after the class. And let me think. Pre-recorded video, the Zoom meeting, if you guys want to hang out and learn, which will be private on YouTube. So if you have a link, you can watch it anytime. So you can rewatch, pause, all that fun stuff. During the class, you can ask questions. We can talk about different textures, different things. And yeah, we'll have fun with all of these lovely little wooden bits, which I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I split them up so that everybody gets different and has a lot of fun. So stop by my shop, pick up your card kit, and remember, there's 2 card kits, but they're exactly the same. The only thing you're doing is purchasing the day of the Zoom. So it'll say what day the Zoom is, the time and everything, and then you pick what best fits you. And if neither fits you, you can just pick one and then watch the recording afterwards. Until next time, my friends, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, crafty day. And I'm looking forward to my first class. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.